Hello viewers, welcome to Aarohi Sewing Enterprises. In this video, I am showing you how to do lettering in Wilcom Embroidery Studio. It is very easy, anyone can do it, no punching knowledge required. Simply you install Wilcom Embroidery Studio software and you can do the lettering. Just select this alphabet and type the letters which you want, and the right side you have many option to change the font style and do the adjustment as well, and you can set the size as you want. Then you can save the file into emb and you can convert that emb file into dst or jef. It is very easy. Most of the fonts are available in the Wilcom Embroidery Studio, so you can easily make it. If you want training or software, please contact Aarohi Sewing Enterprises on 9100949956. Thank you. See you in the next video.